Hello everyone, I am again here with a new video on the topic MS Excel today. This video is very helpful for class 9th and 10th CBSE student. This is the first video on the topic MS Excel I am making today. I would like to suggest you see my each and every video because I am covering from basic. So today again in this video I will cover from the basic of MS Excel. MS Excel is a unit 4 in class 10th information technology syllabus. So today we will discuss what are the basics of MS Excel because most of the students don't know what is row, what is column, what is cell. So in 10th class in information technology syllabus you will have to apply various formulas on Excel sheet. So today we will learn today we will learn basically what are the basics of MS Excel, that what is cell, what is row, what is column, and next video I will teach you how you can apply the formulas on Excel sheet. So let's start today. So today the topic is MS Excel, as you can see on the screen. So let's start. MS Excel basic, today's topic. So first of all, these are the key points which we'll discuss on today's video, that what is row, what is column, what is row and what is column, what is sale, what is cell address, how you can insert additional sheet, and this is very helpful. And you can see the best feature of MS Excel, which is called autofill. So here I have written some small definition also, but would like to go through. I would like to show you directly on the actual Excel sheet that what is row, what is column, what is cell address, inserting additional sheet, what is autofill. So we'll discuss one by one, but this all are the key point which we will discuss today. I will show you what is row, what is column, what is sale, what is cell address, what is inserting additional sheet, means आप कैसे एक additional sheet को insert कर सकते हो, and what is autofill features क्या होता है. So let's see one by one. First of all, you can open Excel by typing here. I'm opening, this is my Excel, so I'm opening MS Excel here. So whenever you will open MS Excel, so you will see this kind of sheet. So you can see here is a column, here is column A, here is column B. So this is called completely, when you will select this entire, so you will say this is a complete column, है ना. You can see, you can select this complete column by clicking here. This is column A, this is column B, this is column C, this is column D, this is column E. You can see this is called column. What is this? This is called column. Same way, next is row. Sorry, I have discussed column first. Now next is row. What is row? This is called row. Here is the definition of also of the row. Sorry, no definition here. This is called row. Arrangement of cells like this, and this is called column. Okay. The next important is what is cell. So cell is the intersection of row and column is called cell. Cell is the intersection of row and column is called cell. And what is intersection? Suppose this is a column and this is called row. So this individual cell, this individual box is called cell. Understood? Again, this is very important because it usually come in the exam. What is cell? What is the definition of cell? So many times external also ask you in the Viva what is cell. So the basic definition is cell is the intersection of row and column is called cell. Suppose this is my column and this is my row. So when you will select individual this box, so this is called cell. This complete is called cell. You can see like this. This is called cell. This is called cell. This is called cell. The next important is what is cell address. This is very important. I will. This is very important because whenever you will apply formula in the Excel, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सेल एड्रेस क्या होता है. व्हाट इज सेल एड्रेस? बिकॉज विदाउट सेल एड्रेस यू कांट अप्लाई फॉर्मूला इन MS Excel. तो व्हाट इज सेल एड्रेस? सो विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज सेल एड्रेस हियर. Suppose this is my Excel sheet. Okay, so I have selected this cell. So the cell address of this cell, I will type here something. Suppose I have typed 25. So the cell address of this cell will be, because this cell belongs to column E and belongs to row 7. So the cell address of this cell would be E7. You can see the cell address is written here. Whenever in Excel, whenever you will click on any cell, so automatically you can see the cell address here. This is called E4. Again, I'm discussing here what is cell address. So cell address is very important whenever you want, whenever you will apply formulas in MS Excel sheet, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए what is cell address. So cell address क्या होता है? Suppose I have selected this cell. I have selected this cell and I have written here. Suppose I am writing India. तो India का सेल एड्रेस क्या होगा? तो इंडिया आई हैव रिटन द इंडिया सेल एड्रेस विल बी F30. Why? Because India I have written in the column F and row 13. Okay, so the cell address where I have written, I have typed India, the cell address of this cell would be F13. Okay, so I hope this is clear what is cell address. This is called column, this is called row, this whenever you will select an individual box, so this is called cell. And whenever you will and every cell has their own address. Suppose I am typing here, I have typed here 100, so the cell address of this cell would be C4. See, you can see here. Okay, the next is inserting additional sheets. Inserting additional sheets क्या होता है? Look here, whenever you will open any Excel sheet, so you will see there are three sheets by default here: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Suppose you have done the work on all these three sheet and you want to insert a additional sheet. So how you can insert a additional sheet, which is very easy. You can click on this button. You can see there is the option inserting worksheet. So when you will click on this, you will see automatically a worksheet will appear here. So this is called inserting additional worksheet. Again, whenever you will open any Excel file, suppose I am again opening Excel sheet here, so you will see by default there will be three sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You can jump on any sheet like this by clicking on this sheet. Suppose you have worked on all these three sheet and you want to insert additional sheet, which is very easy. You have to click on this icon. Whenever you will click on this icon, it will insert an additional sheet. Sheet 6, sheet 7. Okay, like this. So I hope this is clear to you. The next topic is what is autofill. Autofill is a very useful Excel feature. It allows you to create an entire column or row of data which are based on the values from the other cells. I will show you directly on the Excel that what is autofill. See, suppose I am writing here serial number, name, mobile number. Now I want a serial number from this is not the serial number. Most of the students confuse so many times they consider this is a serial number. This is not a serial number, this is the true number. It will not come when you will print this page, है again this is not a serial number. So you want to type the serial number from here, or suppose do one thing, you can make it roll number, and I'm typing roll number 101 102, and you have to type the roll number till 150. So there is very useful feature. There is no need to type the roll number till 150. You can select this two row like this. You can click here, so you will see the automatically your mouse cursor will convert in plus option, and you can drag it like this, and you can insert the number जहाँ तक भी आपको चाहिए. So I'm inserting the number here till 150. See how it is very useful topic. Again, I'm deleting this. Suppose, see again, suppose I have written here 2, suppose I have written here 20 and 40, and I want a number till 200 with the difference of 20. So there is no need to type the number again and again here. Just select these two cells, come here, automatically the cursor will convert in plus sign, select it, drag it, so you will see the number automatically will come till 220. So this is called autofill. This is called autofill feature, which is very useful. So we have discussed what is row, what is column, what is cell, what is cell address, what is inserting additional worksheet, and what is autofill features. Again, quick revision. This is called column. When you can select this column like this, this is called row. Okay,